excited?
Yes!
Wow! By the way, my name is Joey Abenuhar. By profession, I am a physical therapist, but now I'm a full-time network builder. Yes! I'm so excited simply because this company, this presentation changed my life. Basically, it's simple as that. When I heard this product, this company, I'm so blessed kay somebody introduced to me using this pendant lang. This raw. When you saw this one, okay, what did your first impression when you saw this pendant?
Bato.
It's just like, yes, it's bato. It's true. It's made of volcanic lava with 76 active minerals. So, at that time, tapa ko sa medical field, so mula skeptic dito kay, for me, to have a healing effect ang lawas, dapat na siya i-intake. You have to intake something medicine, para na something different. Sabi niya, just have to wear the pendant, and because I trust my friend, so gitry na to wear the pendant. Just wear the pendant, whole night, ay automatically yun. It's, at that time, my house is, I traveled 1 hour, I'm with a motorcycle. Pag-abot sa balay, slow back, not down. But when I tried the pendant, it's automatic yun siya nga, pag-wear sa pendant, pagtulog na paabot sa balay, di na ako maka-place ako at that time, 2-year-old son. Daddy, let's play, no, anak, kapoy, it's too hard, kapoy kayo. But to na-notice na ko, it's very remarkable changes. And then, check ko kung mag-abot sa balay. At that time naman, wala kaayo ko yung major diseases, no, high blood, so dili kayo siya ng effect. But one thing na ako nakitaan sa pendant, it's a little bit testimony, na ako'y chronic migraine, ng sakit sa ulo nga from high school pag inadala-dala na ako, di na ay biogesic, paracetamol, or mefenamic acid, di nakakaya ba? Para lang siya to mawala ang sakit, you have to vomit. So it's a chronic migraine. One day, kung introduce ni sa ako, sabi ng aking business partner na siya, Joe, if you have something, ma-feeling mong pain, just put it on the muscle side. There is a vortex effect on that. So, ihap na sa plus na daw. True indeed. Praise be to God. Thank you for this stone. Nais na it, there's still a pain, but di na ko kailangan mag-vomit para mawala ang pain. I experience, even though nila, this is not a superpower product, I experience diseases, but the healing effect mas mabilis. I experience stuff, but one day mawala ka agad. It's because of the pendant. It's direct kasi siya sa ating mga cellular level. Okay? Testimonies after testimonies, that's why I'm so in love with the product. I just have to wear the pendant and experience it. Are you excited?
Yes!
But this is the most exciting part. Demonstration is, I know the presentation of PD Jersey is very wonderful. How dangerous the radiation is. But today, ano i-prove? If that pendant, what is that inside the pendant? Kung sa mga scalar energy, this very powerful message sa body, why there is an instant effect on that? Okay, makita natin siya through demonstration. That's why there is mga VIPs karon, mga first-timers. Do not allow to go out this room or hindi mo ma-experience ang pendant. Okay? May I know those who are first-timers? Pakisa ka sa kamot. Raise your hands. Very good. Pero sa naman natin, tayo so precious. Thank you for coming here. We're so proud and we acknowledge your presence. Those who nag-invite sa mga first-timers, sino po sila? Yung mga okay, palapakaluman natin. Okay, first demo, let's move forward. Let's do a balance test. I need a female. Okay, ma'am. Pwede mo na red.
Wow!
Yes! Okay, thank you. Thank you, ma'am, for that. Ma'am, kinsa atong pangalan? Perlita, wow. Okay, ma'am, Perlita. Ramas. Ma'am, para ma-show akong pagka-beautiful, let's move.
Wow!
Wow! From ato, ma'am.
Wow!
From mga abo. From mga abo, it's 4 hours from the mouth. So, ma'am, itry na ito kami balance test. Okay. First thing, ma'am, is just do like this. Dikit ang tail, you fit together. You look straight. You look straight. Ma'am, question na po, is there any something pain in your back or something na nakapirahan ba ka dati? Okay, so ma'am, is in a good condition. Okay, so, ma'am, isa kang duha kang bot. Okay, ipo mo, ma'am, please. You just have to look straight. Today, ma'am, I will test your balance. How balanced you are without the pendant. Okay, ma'am, before that is, was lang yung pendant. Apply mo doon siya yung pendant. Wow,
Okay.
sa premium pendant, it's a high-end pangat sa akong Stellar Energy product. Malimot mo.
Yeah.
Okay, because kinaas ma'am, naa siyang pendant, naa pa na siya ginatawag na effect sa Stellar Energy. So, ato may discharge si ma'am. Natay cellphone na wala yung quantum shield. Okay, follow po, sir. Thank you, sir. This is one thing ng mga nag-cancel sa katao nito like this. This is very dangerous. Mga bata na ito, pag nag-cellphone, it's unseen, untouched. It's a frequency na nasa cellphone. Okay, si ma'am is na-discharge sa scalar energy na nasa lawas kanina. Kaya pag magsuot ka quantum, may more a quantum pendant, the scalar energy retains, napa na siya for how many hours. But to clear the balance, ato siyang i-zero in. Okay. Okay, are you excited, ma'am?
Yes!
Sige, ma'am, you do like this. Okay, very good. You fit together. You look straight. Okay, ma'am. You please. What I did, ma'am, is I will put a downward force. Downward, what you do is you resist. Okay? Panggahit yun, ma'am. If possible, ayaw pagpadala. Okay, mama? 1, 2, 3, resist. Okay. You feel my pressure, pababa. Panggahit pa, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, resist.
Oh.
Panggahit, ma'am. Okay. You feel my pressure again? Okay. Of course, she is balanced because naka-standing siya yung two legs. Okay, karon is, ma'am, i-raise na ito ang tunti na. Okay? Sige, ma'am, I will assist you.
Masaya si Ma'am mag-pearly shell.
Okay. Raise your feet, ma'am. Okay? I will put a downward force. Okay, 1, 2, resist. Pagkain, ma'am. I will put a downward force in your right. 1, 2, resist. Okay. Basically, naturally, matungkal yun sila may standing in his one leg. But ako siyang pasungkong ng pendant. Look what happened. First honor.
Woo!
Ma'am, you resist, ma'am, ha? Paggamit din, ma'am. Isakay mo tail. Okay. You resist, ha? 1, 2, resist. 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 Resist.
Wow.
Isa pa, ma'am. You want to try it again? Okay, again pa, ma'am, ha? Raise your right feet. Okay, you resist, ma'am, ha? 1, 2, resist. 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 Resist.
Wow! Woo!
Wow. Sige na, ma'am, you remove it. Okay, interview portion. Ma'am, i-compare natin itong first part na wala kay pendant at itong wala kay pendant. Ano sa difference?
Wow!
When you use the pendant, mahina.
Wow! Woo!
Okay, now let's do to enhanced flexibility test. Again, it's first timer. Sir, go.
Wow.
Okay. Thank you. Good night, sir. Sino pangalan natin, sir?
Al.
Al. Okay. Anong kakantahin natin?
Ayan,
Okay. Today, sir, we will do a enhanced flexibility test. Test natin yung how flexible we are with the pendant and without the pendant. Okay. First thing to do, sir, is you look together. Do you have cell phone, sir? Wala na. Okay, dyan na. Okay, you look straight. Thumbs up, sir. Ang kamay. So, tanawon natin niya itong thumbs. Then,
Hindi ba,
i-move
ginako ni
mo
mga idol.
yung lawas.
Flexible guys. Flexible
Tingnan
pati
mo, sir.
lawas.
Slowly moving to the right.